Have you ever heard of age-related macular degeneration, also known as AMD? AMD is a terrifying disease caused by damage to the macula of the retina, which may result in blurring or darkening in the center of the vision. As of now, there are approximately 196 million people around the world suffering from AMD. Experts predict that the number of AMD patients will increase up to as many as 288 million by 2040. EyeCane AR glasses, the smartest way to support people with vision loss. EyeCane. EyeCane installs a high-resolution 4K 20-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and works with the EyeCane mobile app on your smartphone. EyeCane's image processing app provides a scotometry program that can quickly pinpoint the damaged area of vision right at home without the need for a hospital visit. After scotometry testing, you can transition your vision to the peripheral with a simple touch. You can then clearly perceive any visual information through the full HD freeform lens of the AR glasses. The optical image stabilization technology of EyeCane also produces a stable image in real time. And the voice control function in the app can help you more easily adjust the position and size of the central vision area up to a maximum of 20 times. Lastly, the flexible liquid crystal film coating on the lens automatically tunes the incoming light intensity to help you focus on the display. AMD creates a dimmer world for patients. EyeCane AR glasses. See the world anew with smart vision solutions, empowering people with vision loss to navigate the world with confidence. EyeCane.